Hi guys. So this is math class for the week of March 23rd to March 27th. I know last week we did some review work and I think it was a little confusing because it was not what we had been doing in class. So we are going to go back and start working on where we left off when we were in the classroom. So I need you all to open up, go into your math folder, and go and get your solving equations workbook. Okay, this is the front page of it. It's called 2020 Solving Equations Workbook. Okay, once you have it, remember it's very, very big. So I want you to go to page 10. So you're going to scroll down till you find page 10. And when you click on it, this is about what it should look like. Some of you I know went on, but this is the last point that we went over with a class. So we are going to start working on number 13. If you need to catch up, just pause this video until you get to this point, and then you can push play and start again with us. Okay? So, I'm going to make this bigger. Okay, so if we're looking at number 13, if you remember, the first thing that we're going to do is we will identify the variable. So take a look at this question. X minus 9 equals 1. What is the variable? Okay, so X is the variable. Next question. What is our operation? Our operation is subtraction, minus. What is our inverse operation? So our inverse is the opposite. What is our inverse operation? The operation that we have here is minus, so the inverse is plus. Okay, so I'm going to go to my toolbox so that I can type here. Okay, so the inverse operation is going to be plus. Is going to be plus. And what am I going to add? So if I want to isolate the variable, I want to get my x all by itself. I have a minus 9. I'm going to have to do a plus what? What is the number I'm going to add? I'm going to add 9. Okay, now you're going to have to take out your calculators. Minus 9 plus 9. So make sure you put that into your calculator, the right part of it. Okay, so minus 9 plus 9 equals. Should come out with a 0. Okay, what I do to one side of the equation, I do to the other. So if on this side of the equal sign, I did plus 9, the other side of the equation, I'll do what? Okay, so I'm going to do plus 9 over here. Okay, so go ahead and put that into your calculators. 1 plus 9 equals, the answer is 10. Okay, so now at the bottom, I am going to write the answer. Okay, so I'm going to go back and look. I've gotten rid of this minus 9 plus 9. That's now 0. So I have x equals 10. Okay, if you don't have this on their page, pause this, so that you can go ahead and make sure that you have your answer down correctly. Okay, I'm going to go on to number 14. The first question we always have to ask ourselves. Okay, our problem is a minus 6 equals 2. Our first question to ask ourselves is, what is our variable? Let's take a look at it. A minus 6 equals 2. What is the variable? Variable in this problem is an A. So A is our variable. Our next question is, what is our operation? A minus 6 equals 2. What is our operation? Okay, our operation is subtraction, minus. What is the inverse operation? The opposite operation. The opposite of minus is plus. What are we going to add? We want to get this A all by itself. We want to isolate the variable. So we have to get rid of something. So we're going to do plus what? What number will go here? Do plus 6. Take your calculators. You're going to put in minus 6 plus 6 equals. What will be your answer? 0. Good. Okay, what we do to one side of the equation, we do to the other. So over here we have 2. What are we going to do to the 2? We are going to add 6. And go ahead and put this into your calculator. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Okay, and then down here on the bottom, we are going to write our answer, and it will be A equals 8. Good job. Okay, let's go on to number 15. The first thing we need to ask ourselves is, what's the variable? Come on, guys, what's the variable? It's n. Good. So n is our variable. And what operation are we doing here? N plus 7 equals 8. What's our operation? It's plus, addition. And our inverse operation, the opposite operation, minus. Good. Okay, so we have n plus 7. We need to get rid of this, so we are going to do minus 7. Put it into your calculators. Plus 7 minus 7 equals 0. All right, now what we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other side of the equation. So let's go ahead, and what we did to the one side was minus 7. So what we're going to do to the other side is, you guessed it, minus 7. All right. Here we go, guys. We have 8 minus 7 equals, go ahead, put it in your calculators. 1. Nice. So we did all the hard work now. All we have to do is write in our answer. So we're going to look up at our top. N equals 1. Good job. Okay, we're going to do one more as a group. Let's go over to 16 here. Okay, what's your variable? X. What is your operation? Minus. Good. And the inverse operation, the opposite of minus, is plus. Ian, I feel you yelling at me. Are you telling me I did it wrong? Because I keep pushing that equal sign button? Sorry, bud. Okay, so minus 6, I'm going to do plus 6. Nice. Okay, minus 6 plus 6 equals 0. Awesome. Now what we did to one side of the equation, we do to the other side of the equation. All right, guys. Whoa. Look what's happening here, guys. All right, I'm back. Okay, so what we did to one side, we do to the other. So we did plus 6 over here. We're going to do plus 6 over there. You got it. Okay, calculators needed on this one. Minus 5 plus 6 equals 1. It's a hard one, guys. Make sure you use your calculator for that. Okay, again, all we need to do now, let's write in our answers. X equals 1. Perfect. Okay, guys, I want you to do 17, 18, 19, and 20 and send it to me. Okay, so you can either put this in the hand-in part of haiku as an assignment, or if it's easier for you and you're feeling confused, you can pull it all up on your screen like this and hit Command Shift 3, and it will take a picture of the entire screen. So that's Command Shift the number 3, hold them all down together, and you'll hear this little noise. Listen. Did you hear it? Sounds like a camera. And if you do that, it will end up right on your desktop. See? I'm going to open that up, and that's the page I just did. Okay? And then you could email that to me. So this is now called Screenshot 2020 3/18, because that's today's date that I'm doing this, at 1:33 p.m. Okay? That's what mine says. Yours will say a different time. And then you can go and email it. So I would go to my email. I would click Compose. Oops, it's taking a really long time. Oh, there we go. Okay. So we'd do Compose. And I would type in Christensen because I want to send it to Mrs. Christensen. That's me. This is me right here with the red flower. Okay. I type in math for my subject. And then I would go down to the bottom to this little thing that looks like a paperclip, kind of. It says attach files. I'd click on there. I'd go to my desktop. Look, and this is my screenshot that I just took. And I can see from this picture that that's what I just took. I click open. I waited for that to download the whole way. Now it's blue, so I know it's done. And just gonna hit send, okay?